If you are into crypto and you want to know how to buy a new crypto, you are wondering which one is kind of profitable buying and trading cryptocurrency. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on what you need to do first before you can purchase your first crypto. So you need to have it in mind that crypto is high volatile space. You only invest what you are willing to lose, and just take this video as educational purpose. So there are two ways in buying crypto. There is IDO and ICO, and there is launchpad. So these various process, let's take for instance IDO. IDO will allow a project can allow some group of people or their community to purchase this token. They are going to whitelist those wallets that will access this token to for pre-launch of this token, so they will be able to get this token and they will pay for this token. And when this token started trading on the marketplace, they are going to airdrop this token to everyone. So that's the first option. And there are some launchpad. You need to, the project that is launching another new project, they are going to give you some requirement to hold a certain portion of their token. That is, for instance, a launchpad project, they will tell you to hold at least maybe 5,000 of their coin or 2,000 of their coin to have certain allocation or to be drawing their lottery system. So for this launchpad, you can buy this token before you started trading on the marketplace. So you buy this at the lower price, then hopefully if this token make a good ROI, you're going to make times 3-4x of your return on investment buying token at the cheaper price before you started trading on marketplace. So this launchpad and IDO, it normally favor people that have enough of money to invest, or they have a lot of time to maybe be in the community and have opportunity to be whitelist on this new token before you started trading on the marketplace. So and the last part is you to buy a token on marketplace when you started trading. So this process is just the general for all investors to find a token that they think it has value, that can go up in value, and buy this token on the marketplace. So for you to buy any token you want to buy on the marketplace, you have to make your own research, and you can go to CoinMarketCap. You will find a various of token from Bitcoin to Ethereum for top 20 or top 30 or top 300 token that is trading. Once you make your own research and you will find this token, you have to go on a token and go to the exchange. You will find a token where you'll be able to buy this token. Then let's say for instance you want to buy Bitcoin, and you will need to go to section that will check where Bitcoin is trading on maybe CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and you'll be able to find some exchange. Let's say for instance if this token is trading on Binance, then you have to go to Binance website, or you go download Binance app or any exchange you want to register with and buy this token when you find out that this token you want to buy is trading on this exchange. So if you want to create a new account with Binance, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create your new account with Binance. So I'll leave that in the video description. So after you find your token that you want to buy this token on Binance, then you open an account using my link in the video description. After you've passed KYC on Binance, then you have to fund your Binance account with your assets. So you have to deposit money into your Binance account and convert your fiat currency to USDT or FDUSDT on Binance. Then once you convert your money to stable coin, then you'll be able to buy any token you want to buy with this process. I've made some series of video how to buy tokens, so I'm going to link that video in the video description so you can follow the video and know how these things works. And that's just the process. This is the guideline you need to follow all you need to know before you started trading any crypto, or you started buying any crypto. So you need to know this concept, and make sure you do more research about any crypto you want to buy. And it's very important to know what you are getting yourself into. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.